Well, hello there, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T Mike making a video today. It's a little different video. I have a friend who has contacted me, and actually I was going to buy these motors from him, but I decided I'm downsizing. I'm not, but I'm trying to help him sell these motors. He's got 9 motors. These are Johnson & Evinrude's. I mean, perfect motors for somebody that's looking to restore or for parts. He's got 9 motors and lots of parts. These motors are located in Madison, Alabama. Just contact me, message me, or text me if you're interested, and I'll put you in touch with him. He's been good to me in the vintage world. Him and I partnered together on a few things, so he's a good guy, and I'm trying to help him sell these. You can't go wrong with these motors. So if you're ready, here's a video he put together of them. Here we go.
All right, so here's the storage unit. Got a bunch of tanks. This is an old Javelin 35 horsepower. Here are 2 18 horsepowers. This one's not froze. This one is. Here's a 1956 Johnson 30. It's electric start. Here are 3 7.5 horsepower. One of them's locked up. That one's not. I think it's this one. Yeah, this one in the back's locked up. That's what this power head is for. This one's not locked up. Here's a QD10. Doesn't have a cowl, but this power head is good. It's got the carburetor. There's the old 9.5. There's the lower unit for it. That is locked up. There's a cowling for like a, I think this is like a early 1950s 10 horsepower. That is, no, it's not complete. It doesn't have the skeg and the gears in it. There's a bunch of recoil starters. Here's 2 59 Golden Jubilees. This one's locked up. This one is completely free and fine. I was in the middle of rebuilding the lower unit, and it took me longer than expected, and that's what made me realize I need to sell all this stuff. So here are the both lower units for these 2. All the gears, everything's bagged up. Drive shaft, shift rod. Here's another QD10 horsepower drive shaft. Here are the 2 recoil starters for the 7.5s. This is just buckets of parts, ignition coils. Here's some more lower units. I think this is a plate, and you can put your power head on it and feed it water. I think this plate, I can't find it. It's a custom machine, but it fits these power heads. I don't know. That's interesting. Controls, bunch of tanks. So it's gonna be a long video, so I'm just showing everything again. Only a couple of them are locked up, but a lot of motors, a lot of parts. This is everything. I think I'm gonna keep this one, and then I have 2 Mercuries I'm gonna keep. But this is everything. A lot of stuff in here. Random parts. Here's a low-speed needle, adapter plates, fuel filter. Here's an electric starter bracket for one of those 18 horsepower if you want to convert that to electric start. Just bypass covers. I think this is from whenever I was first designing those. Yeah, bypass covers. This is a bunch of VRP parts as well. So, yeah, I don't know. Anyways, that's a newer, like 1990s 9.5 horsepower lower unit. Let me know.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that video. Just contact me if you're interested. 9 motors and a lot of parts for only $1,500. A great deal. Just let me know. See y'all next video.